Sir? Thinnest.
What's up, YouTube? My name is Vic. I am the Brooklyn Watch Guy. And if this is your first time on my channel, this channel is all about watch buying, collecting, unboxings, and reviews in the affordable range, which I define as $1,000 or less. If you're into that, I invite you to stick around, watch the video. If you make it to the end, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and don't forget that notification bell so you know every time I put a new video up. And today, I got an unboxing video for you guys. Interesting watch. I've had my eye on it for a while. Never quite pulled the trigger until recently. So not an expensive watch, actually very affordable watch, but has some pretty decent specs from a well-known brand, very popular brand. And I'm curious about this one. It has a caveat to it that's pretty interesting. So let me not ramble too much further. Let's get into this unboxing. All right, y'all. So what we have here, Amazon packaging. Maybe I may not need my blade. Sometimes these things don't always work the way they're supposed to. Let's see. Oh, looks like we got luck today. So I put my blade to the side. I'm dealing with a Casio today. Interesting watch. This is the Casio A-700. And this thing is tiny. Holy shit. The thing with this watch, or what its claim is, this is Casio's thinnest watch. So this is supposed to be Casio's thinnest watch. I believe it's only 6 millimeters thick. So it's pretty small, pretty small. Other than that, there's really nothing fancy about it. You still get the resin case that's painted to look like metal, but it's not metal. You get the different colors on the dial here. There is another version of this guy that's all gray, no colors, and it comes with a Milanese bracelet. Looks nice, but it's double the price of this one. I paid under 25 bucks for this guy. The other one that I mentioned is about 47 currently on Amazon. But yeah, this is supposed to be Casio's thinnest watch. I like it. It's cool. Even holding it in my hand, it feels light. I don't think I'm gonna give this guy a full-on review on the channel, just because you know, these Casios, they're all pretty much the same. You get all the same features, the same specs. So I don't think there's really much to review here. But there is another one that I do want to pick up. That one's a little more pricey for what it is, but I'm very likely going to pick it up. Like I said, this guy is, I paid just under $25 for this guy on Amazon. This is the Casio A-700. This is part of Casio's new vintage line. Well, it's not new. It's been out for, I think, since 2019, 2020, or maybe 21. It hasn't been around that long. You know, a little bit, but not that long. But this is going to be it, guys. Well, let me put it on. I'm going to put this guy on my wrist. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So I don't have it adjusted yet, so it is a little loose. But you can see here, you know, it is pretty light. It's pretty light. It is very slim, very slim. Feels good, though. I ain't mad. Yeah. Pick this guy up. You know, 25 bucks. What do you got to lose? And it's comfortable. I do got to adjust that strap. If you guys are familiar with Casio, you know that under this, there's a little piece that you lift up and you adjust it. That's how you get your tightness. So I do have to do that. But yeah, I think this is a good looking watch. 25 bucks. Hell yeah. Not bad. And it's small. It's light, super light. You can wear this pretty comfortable. So that's going to conclude this one, ladies and gents. Quick unboxing. Like I said, I don't anticipate doing a full-on review on this guy. Just because of what it is. It's just a cheap Casio watch, but I wanted to put it on the channel so you guys could see Casio's doing some things. They really have been, especially with this new vintage line. They've been putting out some nice stuff. So I'm going to conclude this one, ladies and gents. I'll see you on my next one. Peace.